5922, my friends. Yes, it is. We're going into the closing bell. What do I have? A 60-minute chart on the SPX 60-minute chart in the dailystockcharts.com app. Yes. Look at how weak it is. When the IR is falling in value, the 60-minute reversal continues to go down. So we have that one 60-minute rally, and then this is the failure, and we've made nothing but lower lows. But let's take a look at the SPX that broke below that 4,000 mark down to 39,996.42, just slightly below it. Okay, there's the low of the day right here. And so we have not broke that level for a long time. And the high was 40.81 on the SPX here on the 60-minute chart. When you look at the 3-minute chart on an intraday level, and this is the daily stock charts here, it will draw the trend lines for you automatically. You just click a button and you simply will wait, and it will go through them one by one as it has on the 60-minute chart at this moment in time. And that is the primary chart that we're going to want to watch, because we can see on a 3-minute level how it has collapsed going into the closing bell here on a 3-minute level in our trading app. Pure mathematics. Mathematics don't lie. You get to demo this live. You can believe what you see, my friends, and that I'm excited with you, because I can tell you that once you get to see it, feel it, look at it, watch the price movement, math doesn't lie. It removes all the thinking. It removes all the what ifs, turn off all the noise, and just simply trade that price. And that's exactly what you're going to do with this app. And I can tell you, we will be developing a free app for people. So on a 60-minute and 3-minute charts, 3-minute charts, 5-minute movements, that's just how they operate and whatnot. So on the 60, which is going to stay right there, that's going to be the primary one that we're going to focus on. And when you have these little sharp moves up, you can tell a look at the algorithms coming on the way down, just like when the algorithms pop, when they go up, we traded that movement, but it ended right there where the actual downtrend started here. And we had a mathematical rally, and when the diamonds were going up in value, the algorithms, the high-frequency algorithmic bots in the exchange model was popping these prices up there, and then they collapsed. And notice from where the breakout started in our system here, which was challenging the reversal right here, that torpedoed down. So the app tells you when to go long, it tells you when to go short, and you get to witness it. Yes, you do. And all you have to do is sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. I'll tell you why. You will miss out. And if you really want the GPS model to the market, and here we are collapsing going into the closing bell. And when you're on a 0 IR in our system, which we'll explain how to read the control panels to you in the demo. And we just now have roughly 13, 16, so let's say 13 minutes to the closing print, and we're still printing below that monumental 4,000 on the SPX on the 60-minute chart using our app. We built it, pure math. Hey, it doesn't lie. Look at the gap downs. Look at how we made lower lows. Look at reversal trends. It's a real GPS when looking at this particular time frame on 60-minute directional price movements based on the mathematical algorithms that are used within the application itself. And yes, it's really comforting because what it does, it just removes all of the turmoil. It removes all the noise. It removes it all because the mathematics as it is doesn't lie as it will be. And so, once again, it's all up to you. Do you want to get in on it now? Trading the SPX going into the 60-minute closing bell. We have a 3IR in the info panel right here. You can see that IR range, and you can also see that IR range in the gauge right here where it's at number 2. And when it's at number 2, then the 60-minute bar right now, so let's just pop this up right here. This big breakdown is crucial on this 60-minute. And I'll blow it up because you can see where that gap down happened here. And then you can see that 60-minute consolidation breakdown. Okay, that's a consolidation, rectangular daddy from Cincinnati. Yeah, fully mathematically coded right across that bottom there with that big 60-minute. Look at the diamonds. You got triple diamonds below the price. Look at that. When the body goes below it and you have a 0 IR, that's that proprietary indicator. Like I said, that 0 IR -1 now, which means it's 0. So that's that gauge right there. That's that code. You can see it over here in this gauge. That 0 IR comes from there. So you can see it from that angle. And you can see that 60-minute breakdown. And when that IR is minus and at 0, you know, it'll hit minus a couple, but it's really at 0. So that is going to be the weakest price at the moment. If it was strong, it could be at 100, which would be a really strong price, but that's not what we're dealing with. We're dealing with a 0 IR, and we're going into the close. They're selling the futures. The E-mini, ES E-mini futures are down 135 points right now, and we're going into that closing bell, and this is live, and this is what bear trends do and what happens and sentiment and everything that goes with it. But who cares? That's all noise. All we care about is how the price is moving. And that's what the app does for us right here on the SPX. Isn't it exciting? Of that big 60, and each line is $22.19 on our 60-minute chart. So what that really means, it's a 1/4 delta in our system. So each line, $22.19, and it came down 1, 2 to the penny, and it's slightly breaking below that line, but it's still, and it's teeter-tottering with that. There it is, 2 of those. So that would be 22.19 times 2, mathematically to the penny. And when you have all of those diamonds pointing down, That is where that trend is going, and this is here. It's live. You're going to love when you witness it. I can only tell you. You just need to get signed up today, because when you do, it's going to change the way you look at the markets. And not only that, you're going to change your whole view about everything you've ever done in the past, because this is going to just power you. Go ahead. Learn how to trade the SPX. Learn how markets go in bear trends. Learn how to get involved at dailystockcharts.com. Yes, this is the Daily Stock Charts app. We're live on the SPX closing bell, and we are dispatching this so that the links will go out worldwide to everybody that is also watching U.S. markets. Will be watching Daily Stock Charts app live in action as we send the links out to the emails to 10,000 people. Yes, we have 11,000 people, and we'll send all of those trading links to their emails of all of the videos that you're watching right here live in the market. Now we're breaking below that. Yes, we went down past 2. So we're at a 0 minus 4 IR right now. That makes that the weakest moment in price. How to identify when price weakness is working and the short side of the market is paying. And this is live. It's here. It's now. Pay attention, because if you really want to do this, this is what it's going to be like live during the day when you're in that live day trading room, the market trading room. You're going to be in there live, and you're going to be going to, I just got an alert right now. We just had the fear indicator. I got an alert. The VXN, the NASDAQ composite now is down in the NQ futures 100 down 544 points. The ESE mini in the futures down 143. I can tell you that the SPX right now on this chart is down 140 points. That is a haircut that we have not seen for a very, very, very long time. As we go right in, and that big breakdown is here. It's now. You can see all the diamonds pointing down. You can see the body of the price that's going below it. It's pure mathematics. It's at its best. But don't have an opinion until you get to witness it and get to participate with it. Participate with it, witness it, and believe it. That's exactly what it will be. We enjoy the video for all of the people that are witnessing this sell-off in this particular series. It's a long video that will be cut into 2 or 3 parts. But once again, I can tell you it is a brutal day for the bulls.